In this video today I'll show you how you can make PayPal money passively. It is a very easy and fun strategy that anyone from anywhere in the world can make it work for absolutely free. Of course, you need to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every step right. But before I start with this tutorial, I want to remind you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. The very first platform that I'm going to give you is this one here called Yazing. This is over at yazing.com. With Yazing, you can get paid for every purchase that you make and influence online, but of course you can even make money by promoting. So Yazing pays you cash reward when you promote any brand's deal or coupon page with others and your influence generate sales. So you're going to get paid to promote, and you're going to get paid fast because they're going to send your money directly to your PayPal account, which is pretty awesome to get paid through PayPal actually. So what you need to do is to click first of all on the join now button, and it's going to take you over to this page where you need to put a username, an email address, a password, confirm the password, and then click here on register now. And once you do so, you'll be able to browse all of the different offers that they offer in order for you to promote. So you can find a lot of them. You can see even how much they pay per each referral. So you're going to see here shop to earn and also promote to earn button, and what you need to do is to click on promote to earn button for every of these offers that you want to promote in order to get your affiliate link. So today we're focusing on a particular offer, and that's why I want you to go over to select category. Here you're going to see all of the categories that they offer, from animals and pet supplies, art and entertainment, babies and kids, and you have a lot of other categories. I want you to select animals and pet supplies, and it's going to give you offers related to that. And then I want you to find and click here on Bark Box. You're going to see that it pays $18 cash reward, and what you need to do and where to click is here on promote to earn, because whenever you click on this button, it's going to give you immediately your referral link, your affiliate link, as you can see over here, that you can start sharing with people. So you're going to copy it in this button here. You can close this, and then you can start sharing with people, and you can make money again and again whenever they purchase something from BarkBox. So the thing is that you don't need to wait for your affiliate link or to fill out any form at all. You can just click on the promote to earn button for each of these offers, and it's going to give you your affiliate link immediately, so you can save a lot of time actually, and it's easier like that. So next part of this strategy is to go over to another platform for today, which is going to be Pexels. This is over at pexels.com. This is like the best free stock photos, royalty-free images and videos shared by creators. And you're going to see here that there are a lot of high-definition photos or even videos shared by people, and you can get them and download them on your computer for absolutely free and also without facing any copyright issues. What I want you to do is to search here for dogs or puppies, since our offer was about dogs. So BarkBox offers some toys for dogs and pets and so on. So I want you to just select the dogs over here, search for dogs, and it's going to give you a lot of images related to that. All of these are some cute images of dogs, so that's why I said that this is like a fun and easy strategy, because you're going to see all of these cute images. What I want you to do is to just find one of these photos, or more than one. Of course, you need like 10 at the beginning. You can just download them for absolutely free by clicking here on this arrow. Once you do so, it's going to be immediately downloaded on your computer, as you can see, and you're going to do the same thing for each of the other photos that you like and you want to download on your computer. So once you do so, what you need to do is to go over to another platform for today, because I'm going to give you multiple ones for you to make this strategy work properly. So you need to go over to Instagram, and you need to create an account for absolutely free here on Instagram, and that account is going to be all related to dogs. So you're going to put a username for dogs, bio, and so on and so forth, just like this one here. For example, you're going to see that it's called dogs.lovers. You're going to see that it has a username like puppies and us, also the bio, and also link over here. And what you're going to do is that you're going to create that Instagram page all around dogs, and you're going to post those images that you got before from Pexels, the ones that I told you to download. And once you do, you're going to post all of them over here, and then you're going to just leave your affiliate link in the bio here, so you can target people that have dogs owner, and love dogs, and want to buy some toys for their dogs. So that's why we need to create that Instagram page all related to dogs. So right now I have two methods for you in order to grow your Instagram page, a free one and also a one that requests a little bit of investment. So you can grow your Instagram page because you need people to follow you, and you can have more engagement and therefore more clicks on your affiliate link here in the bio. What you need to do, for example, is to go over to this kind of pages about dogs. You need to go over to their followers, and you can start following all of these people so they can follow you back, because that's why they are following a page related to dogs, first of all, because they like dogs, so they can even follow you back. Of course, this strategy requires a lot of time, and it's going to take you a little bit of effort, but this is a free one, and you need to be patient in order to grow your Instagram page. What you can do if you don't want to do this manually is to go over to this platform called Shoutcart. This is over at shoutcart.com. Here you can browse a lot of influencers, and you can find one that you want, and they can advertise you for cheap money. So you're going to go over here on register for free, create an account, and then you're going to click here on browse influencers, and it's going to show you all of these influencers here that can advertise you for really cheap. And what you can do is to select Instagram here in the left hand side, because you want to be advertised on Instagram. So unselect all, and then just select Instagram, IG story, and so on. And after that you have also some categories here, so you can just select the animals or the dogs category. So you have here animals and also dogs. So once you do so, you'll be able to find all of these influencers that can advertise you for like $10, as you can see, $16, and so on and so forth. But they have a lot of followers. So for example, this person here can advertise you to more than 300,000 of people, and you need to pay only like $10, and they're going to advertise your page. And in this fashion you're going to have more followers, and therefore they will be willing to also click on your link, to see your link over there in the bio. They can click on your affiliate link, they can purchase something from a bark box, and then you can make money again and again in passive income. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, Lady Nemia's World. Thank you for watching.